So let's start dumping everything in the blender. I have my cashew nuts that is softened by soaking overnight. I have 4 ounces of water. My lemon juice. Salt. The nutritional yeast, onion powder and garlic powder. And 4 tablespoons of tahini sauce, which is sesame, as you know. You can do your own sesame sauce by putting sesame seeds in the blender and grinding it up, but this is much easier. If you have a really good blender, you can blend your sesame seeds, but if the blender is not that great, you're not going to really get a really smooth tahini sauce. So the last thing I'm going to put in here is annatto seed oil. So I'm going to strain the oil. This is all of my oil, like two tablespoons. Let's cover this and start blending it. So let's do our agar agar. I have some water here, 8 ounces of water. This is the agar agar powder. You can use flakes as well, but in my experience, the powder is much better. Going to stir this. It's going to start thickening up. So I'm going to mix this. It's going to come to a boil and that's it. And then we're going to take the cashew mixture, add it to this, and put it in your refrigerator to solidify. So when I come back, we're going to put the 2 mixtures together after this has thickened up. So I removed the mixture from the blender. It is so smooth, guys, so smooth. I'm going to now immediately put the agar agar mixture in here, mix it in. Incorporate this in nicely. And then I'm going to pour this in my mold, which is this dish here. And you have to grease this dish here. Just a little bit. Pour this in here and you put it in the refrigerator, and then it's going to solidify, and then you can slice your cheese. Voila, you have cheese. Plant-based vegan cheese. So here we are. I have the cheese sat overnight in the refrigerator. It has hardened. Gonna cut it. And let's unmold this. So this is your cheese. Let's pick this up and put it over on a red plate so you can see it better. It's popping much better, right? So it's a sliceable cheese. See, you can cut it like this. It's slicing really nicely. So you can have it with some toast. And it's sliceable, but it's soft enough that you can spread it. And some grapes. You know, this is really delicious with grapes. So you see, it's soft enough that you can slice it and you can spread it. You see? It's spreadable on the toast. And this is delicious. You could have it with some strawberry jam, some raspberry jam. See, it's delicious. I would try it, but I'm fasting, so I'm not gonna eat right now. But here you are, guys. Make this cheese. It is delicious. It is super delicious. And I'll see you in the next video.